Are you moving to Savannah, Georgia, or you're PCSing the Hunter Army Airfield and you're looking for a home that is close to downtown? Well, this one's definitely the one for you. It's about 1.5 miles from my favorite barbecue place, Slow Fire. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with 1,416 square feet. Let's go check it out.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
All right, so here's the street, as you can see right here, moving up to this home, the Johnson Group. You got a side entry car entrance over there, so you come up there, you can drive into the your yard over there, and bang, a little porch for hanging out. You can drink your coffee, watch your neighbors, spy. Maybe you like to have, you know, what do they call it? Do rumors and stuff? I don't know. What are you into? Are you into drama channels? I don't know. Neighbors are full of drama. I don't know. Hopefully not, right? But we're in the inside. Here's your living room. Like I said, it's 1,416 square feet. Okay. Granite countertop. I like what they kind of did here. Personal touches throughout the house. So you got, you know, the board underneath there. You got like a little cool. I would use that as a hat rack, but I have a ton of hats. Wife would probably not allow that. Actually, now that I think about it. The granite countertop. I like these little personal touches they do here, right? You got that, and then you got this side. I like the flooring they did here. And while we're in the kitchen here, I'm just gonna walk up in here. So here's your laundry area right here. Okay, not bad. See, it's got a door out to the back. All right, and we're gonna go out to the garage and all that good stuff here shortly. But I just want to make sure you can see. Newer cabinets, newer roof. That's another thing. 50-year architectural shingles in this home. Open to from the kitchen into the living room. So if you're entertaining in the kitchen, you can definitely partake in the living room. And also, of course, go around that corner. You're outside to the yard. So if you want to, you know, entertain or whatever you like to do with your time, this one definitely do. And also, what I do like about this is it's close to everything. Like if you want to get downtown. It's not far. You want to be walking on River Street? Not far. You want to be at Hunter? Not far at all. Coming from this way, a little bit easier than coming from like Pooler, say, or Richmond Hill to get to Hunter from here. It would not be that hard at all. You just go straight up Bull Street and boom, you're right there. Going to Montgomery Gate, or Stevenson Gate, excuse me. All right, here is the bathroom. Right here. Bang. All right. Newer vanity right there, as you can see. Newer flooring like that. Okay. Then you got your soap shower combo. Okay. We're just moving down here and hitting them as they come. Go down here, bang. Now this one doesn't have a defined primary bedroom. To be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of that, but you know, it's only got one bathroom. That's, you know that coming in. So if this is not gonna be for a family of 6 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? This is probably for more of your maybe empty nesters that wanna be downtown. You kinda like the scene, but you don't have any little ones holding you back. And you just need a place basically to stay while you travel and stuff. Now, this is what a perfect opportunity looks like. Right? If you're just in Savannah to retire and go enjoy everything, travel the world and stuff, it's be a good pit stop for you while you're going to do all that stuff. That's kind of like what I hope to do one day, is just use Savannah as a home base and then travel the world. Okay, so as you can see, the door goes out that way. But I didn't want to miss this part. So this could be like a bonus area, you know what I'm saying? You come in here, this used to be a 2-car garage, I think. And then they converted one to a 1-car garage, and this to a, I don't know, what do you put in here? Ping pong table, probably. Maybe a video game sanctuary. I don't know. What would you put in this room? Kind of a blank canvas, you know what I'm saying? kids' playroom, that'd be good. I don't know, if you're in this one, you probably don't have kids. So I don't know what you do with this one. Office, maybe it's still warm for an office for me. And then you come into the 1-car garage. So you do still have a place to park your car if you want it. All right, so let's go to the backyard. Once again, you can go to the side yard that way, and that's where you're coming in the car, but then we're gonna go out the backyard here. Bang. All right, there you go, yard, nice size. Like I said, when I envision this place, this is, to me, this is someone that is just looking for a place to sleep while they, you know, you can still entertain in there, still got the nice upgrades and stuff. But this is kind of like you're staying here, right? But you're here to see the world. It's time. You know, one of the things I've always wanted to do was travel. I mean, I did do a lot of traveling for the Army and stuff, but I've seen every desert on the planet, which, as you can imagine, is not as awesome. The coldest and the hottest. So I want to go see other places, and I want, you know, Savannah to be my home base, but be able to move. So this one gives you that kind of thing, but not to mention, this home also not far from Savannah Bananas. So if you're into the bananas, which they're a phenomenon right now, you're close to there. Once again, River Street, shopping, all that's the great restaurants, everything. On my channel, you'll see a bunch of, hey, what do you need to do when you're in Savannah? So definitely go check that out. But if you have any questions about this home or any home in Savannah, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk to you soon. Bye.